In this project, we'll be developing a JavaScript and CSS-based photo gallery. The gallery has a set of thumbnails at the top and a main preview image displayed below. When a user hovers their mouse over the thumbnail, the main preview image changes to the corresponding thumbnail. There's also a hover effect on the thumbnails and some CSS styling for the borders, background color, and text formatting. Before we get started, you'll need to download the images folder that contains the images for this exercise from the Downloads folder. Once you've done so, you must place the entire images folder in the same directory that you'll be saving your HTML file into. With that complete, let's go ahead and get started. Create your basic HTML page structure and save the file. You can give it any file name you like. Next, we'll need to create a style sheet for our page with several style rules. The first rule will style the page elements. We've set the background color of the body to hex code 222. We've created a margin at the top of the page. We've set the default font family to Arial and the color of the default font color to white. The next rule here is a class definition for the thumbnails. In this class, we've defined the height as 80 pixels, border is 4 pixels solid with a hex code of 555, 1 pixel padding, and some margin on the left and the right. So that's what gives us this look for each thumbnail image. Next, we have a class for the hover effect on the thumbnails. This will change the color of the border to a 4 pixel solid border with this hex code, and that's a light blue color. And the last style we have here is the class that will style the main preview image. We've given the preview image a border, some padding, and a width of 800 pixels.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.